today was like a competition kind of thing with all the kids. It was very well, and even it was organized for parents as well. Actually, after a long time, I played badminton. We really enjoyed, and it was like amazing time for us also even.
Yes, sir. My daughter name is Pranavi. She is doing good. ತುಂಬಾ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು she used to come for 2 days. Now she is telling I want to come for 5 days.
Do it, madam. 9 days and 5 days well, because they need a practice of 5 days well, because first 2-3 days we used to teach new skills, and second, third, and fourth day they have to practice it.
Now she want to do for 5 days. She is very happy to come here.
And are you happy because we organize for the parents?
Yeah. Really, I'm very happy. Hi, my name is Swati, and this is my son Dharva. He is with special needs. He has learning difficulties. He has comprehension difficulties. But coming here has helped him a lot. He loves badminton, and I feel he's getting that one-on-one coaching. He enjoys a lot. Right now he comes only for 3 days, but next he's planning to come for 5 days, all 5 days. Even if it is raining, he says, I want to go for badminton. If he's alone also, he'll say, I will go, but I don't want to miss his class. So he really looks forward to the class.
And what about today's tournament for parents?
Oh, it was fun. I won.
How you enjoyed?
Oh, a lot.
And you won.
Yes.
You are sharing the winners of both you and man.
Yes.
We are keep trying to organize every month like this.
Oh,
I
sure.
need your support and
He will be a part of it, sir.
Yes.
Always.
This is your academy and you have to come.
Yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
This is Guru Raj. My daughter name is Dhriti. She's been in this academy for almost like 2 years. But today it took me a surprise, because after a long time today everyone is being gathered, especially parents. Because all this time we used to be in downside itself. But we got an opportunity not only seeing our kids but also playing with other parents also. I would love to encourage and support this kind of activities. Please do this every month and I'll be very happy with this. I hope this every students get into the tournament and practice themselves and also compete.
This is your academy. You have to support this academy.
Sure, sir. Anytime.
You have to tell others.
We will certainly do it. We'll also
And we will take care of your kids. This is our duty and they are my kids.
Sure.
We'll take them to professional level.
we will support in any way what we can.
How many tournaments will conduct in a year? That's the question I had. But I did get the response saying that let's start with the basics and but after seeing this initiative, it was very good actually. I'm very happy actually. When I see this WhatsApp, right, I was very impressed, and I was in office, okay, so I came only because of parents used to watch that, and on top of that, we get to play opportunity to play in the, so that is good, and so I'm hoping it will continue same activities.
Yes, sir. Because this is your academy.
Yeah.
So your kids are our kids. You have to motivate them and you have to support for the academy. And why we are making the tournaments and all too, we have to identify the backgrounds of kids. So what they learned from past 1 month or 2 months of tournaments. So now we identify individually what are the things they have to learn, and next 1 month we'll focus on that skills. So every month we're planning for this tournament, international tournament. The management also supporting for that. So we'll plan and we can observe the kids' improvement. And so kindly talk to others also, and I will tell them well, because so many academies are running coaching and all. So well, because we are the professionals. Why the third we are the teachers in the school. So we know how to teach part by part and all. So nothing to issue. We will take care of your kids. We will try to send regularly. That's my
Definitely, sir. I'm very impressed today.
Sir, you have to tell about the tournaments and your kid improvement.
Yeah, it's good. He's a sportsman. He's a swimmer also. He's doing very good.
He's played 4 to 5 matches. He played well.
Yeah.
And he played against very tallest people and
That is what the amazing. Amazing.